Hello and welcome to the My Wool Mitten podcast. My name is Carrie and I'm coming to you from the middle of the Mitten, Michigan's Lower Peninsula, where I live on a small sheep farm with my family, my good dog Bailey, Kyle the Wonder Horse and Bee Cat, a flock of Shetland sheep and Corriedale sheep, and if you stay till the end of this video, I'll introduce you to the newest member of our farm. Welcome or welcome back. I'm going to show you a few minutes of a part of the farm that I don't usually take you to. This is the interior of what we call the Burnham barn, which is on the other part of our farm. It was originally owned by the Burnham family, and we've always called it the Burnham farm. You've seen the outside and you've seen the roundhouse. This is the inside of the lowest level of the barn. There are 3 levels in that barn. And I was there getting some gardening things the other day and just thought I'd take you around. Bailey's here looking for critters, which she didn't find, although they have been there. You'll see there's an old hay chute there, or grain chute. And so I just thought I would take you around for that. Now the rest of this is just going to be waiting for lambs and having some lambs. And then, like I said, at the end of the video, we will say hello to the newest member of the My Wool Mitten family. Oh, that was Bailey going underneath the gate. Well, that's just rude. We don't need to see this side. bugs are bad today. I'd like to introduce you to Badger, the newest member of the My Wool Mitten Farm family. He is a Great Pyrenees Anatolian Shepherd Cross livestock guardian dog. He's just 7 months old, and he's fitting in wonderfully. I can't wait to tell you all about him on the next proper podcast. In the meantime, you'll see him with a new set of lambs, and they're all doing really well. And then you'll see a few pictures of him with his adopted mom, who is Style, my oldest Shetland ewe, who is fast friends with him and watches out for him. And she had a single ram lamb who is his adopted little brother. So say hello to Badger, and I can't wait to tell you more about him. And so that's Lambing 2024.